Hey! It's Workshop Wednesday. Yes, it's me. Look what happened. Halloween party. That's what happened. The bride, it was a 90s Halloween party. And she said, I got an idea. I said, what's that? She said, we're not going to talk about age here, but she says I'm 9 years older. I'm not. I'm 8 and some change. It's a technical thing, but it's important. Anyhow, 92, I was a senior and she was a third grader. She thinks that's funny, and so she thought that'd be a good Halloween little costume. I go as in my letter jacket as a high school senior, and she'd go as a third grader. Well, that was funny, but not near as funny as me shaving my beard, evidently, to look like a high school senior. Most people didn't even know who the heck I was, and y'all might not either, but it's me. You can tell. Well, that's good. I'd been looking for an excuse to clean shave, and now I'm busily trying to grow it again, I'm just like you ladies. Cut your hair and then you try to grow it back out. But all's good. Had a busy week last week. Workshop went well. Got some spurs made, and everybody went home happy, I believe. That's what it looked like when they left. Anyhow, that's good. 2 weeks, November 8th through the 10th. Got an engraving workshop. Got a few holes left if anybody's interested. So that'll be the last one of the year, and maybe the last one for a while. I'll still do some workshops, but none are planned for next year. All that. And I am right now busy at the engraving bench. And y'all can see that this is all relieved out. So that right there is sterling silver inlays, and then see the shiny. That's where I'm excavating the material out. And this is a whole new design for me. I've been done in our Western culture a little bit. I have a friend in Mesa, Arizona named Jeff Park. Hello, Jeff. He does some incredible engraving on Rolex watches, and he does patterns that are similar to this. Of course, I had to twist it. I didn't want to be exactly like Jeff, but anyhow, it's basically a geometric design put behind all this, and it was a tough canvas for me to do something cool, and I thought, well, I'll do something quick and easy. Well, I dang sure didn't do the quick and easy, but I hope it's cool, and it turned out pretty cool. And then got a deck of cards up there. Finished the other side. You can tell this side I hadn't done any kind of excavating yet on, but away we go. This for the Brumbaugh, the Cowtown collection at Brumbaugh's, and that's next Thursday evening. So if you're in the Fort Worth area, come see me. It'll be a good night. And I think you got to buy tickets. Go to the Cowtown collection on social media, and I think you can sign up there. You'll find the info. And if not, call me. I'll get you hooked up somehow, some way. But anyhow, Patreon's rocking and rolling. Got to do a Patreon video today too. So all is well. But stay hooked. Beard will be a little longer next time, maybe. My mama likes it. She seems to be, my Aunt Joan. They seem to be the only ones that like the clean shaven guy. But anyhow, hope all is well, and happy Halloween, everybody. Adios.